Welcome back. So far, we've talked about pricing in theory. Now, it's time to get our hands dirty and build a real-world pricing tool in Excel. In this video, we'll create a dynamic pricing template using a 35% markup and margin. This is a crucial skill for anyone serious about pricing strategy and financial modeling. Let's get started. First, open your Excel workbook and create a new worksheet. Let's name it Product Price. Now, let's set up our template. In cell A1, type Selected Product. In A2, Markup Price. In A3, Margin Price. And finally, in A4, Price Difference. Take a moment to format these cells to make them look clean and professional. Next, we need to define our markup and margin percentage. Flip over to your Inputs worksheet. Scroll down a bit and create a new table. Let's call it Table 7, Margin/Markup Percentage. In one cell, type Margin/Markup, and right next to it, enter 35%. You can even turn this into a formal Excel table or give the cell a named range for easier reference later. All right, head back to the product price sheet. It's time to bring everything together using the powerful lookup function. We're going to pull data from our Inputs sheet and our existing product valuation table. In cell B1, we want to see our selected product. The formula is simple, equals. Then navigate to your Inputs sheet and click on the cell with the selected product, which should be something like Inputs, B1. Now for the fun part, the calculations. In cell B2, we'll calculate the markup price. The formula is cost times 1 plus the markup percentage. We'll use lookup to find the cost. The full formula will look like this. Equals lookup. Find our selected product in the product valuation table, return the total variable cost, and then multiply that by 1 plus our 35% markup from the inputs sheet. For cell B3, we'll calculate the margin price. The formula here is cost divided by 1 minus the margin percentage. Again, we'll use a very similar lookup formula to grab the cost, but this time we'll divide it by 1 minus that same 35% value. Finally, in cell B4, let's see the difference between these two prices. Now test it out. Go back to your inputs sheet and choose a different product from your drop-down list. Watch as all the numbers on your product price sheet update instantly. How cool is that? You've just built a powerful, practical pricing template for your business. This tool shows you exactly how different pricing strategies affect your final selling price. You can see the complete tutorial by visiting the link in the description. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.